Police in Coconut Creek pulled over 36-year-old Brittni Muldrew for allegedly speeding. 11 minutes after that traffic stop, officers shot the mother of two. I want to warn you, what we're about to show you is graphic and difficult to watch.
I want the truth.
I saw a lot of concerning tactics.
No.
I want a very fair, transparent investigation, thorough.
This is the start of a traffic stop
The reason why I'm stopping you today is because you're going 73 and not 45.
that's about to come to a deadly end.
Is this vehicle registered to you?
Yes. No, not me.
It's you or no?
No, not me.
Behind the wheel is 36-year-old Brittni Muldrew. A man, a friend of Muldrew's, is sitting next to her in the passenger seat.
It's suspended.
Dash camera video shows the mother telling a Coconut Creek police officer that she doesn't have her driver's license.
All right, while you're driving then if it's suspended.
Backup arrives, and minutes later,
Hey, hands on the dash, now.
Where are with that vehicle?
the situation quickly escalates.
Do not move, do you understand?
Muldrew and her passenger are held at gunpoint.
Don't move.
Give me additional units here. Don't move, do you understand? Do not move.
Court documents say during the course of the stop, the officer was notified that the vehicle had just been stolen out of Parkland.
If you move, you understand what's going to happen.
A canine officer arrives, and the scene quickly spirals out of control. After being held at gunpoint for 3 minutes and 54 seconds,
I clearly saw an imminent threat to the lives of the officers.
we shared video of the traffic stop and shooting with certified use of force expert Timothy Miller.
Clearly, a canine officer and her dog were almost killed by the actions of what occurred there.
Miller believes officers could have moved sooner to de-escalate the situation.
It didn't appear to me that she was fully coherent. They really, needed to have her step out of that vehicle.
Additional video of the incident was released to Contact 5.
Let the units know it's just east of...
A deputy's body cam shows a Coconut Creek police officer approach the car and pull out his baton and strike.
No.
Coconut Creek police tell Contact 5 that the Florida Department of Law Enforcement is investigating all use of force aspects involved during that particular incident. Prosecutors will review the investigative findings and decide whether further action should be taken.
If he realized that she had in fact been shot, that force would not have been, in my opinion, an appropriate use of force.
Dr. Maria Haberfeld, a use of force expert at John Jay College in New York City, also watched both videos and told Contact 5 that the officers followed procedures and their training.
Use of force doesn't look pretty. It always looks excessive to an untrained eye. It always looks horrible.
My grandchildren have
Brittni's mother, Vicki Waters,
no mother, and I'm out a daughter. And it's very hard.
spoke with Contact 5 about the shooting before we obtained video of the incident.
She wasn't perfect. None of us are perfect.
She spoke candidly about her daughter's run-ins with law enforcement.
But she was a good-hearted person.
Jail records show Muldrew had been released from the Palm Beach County Jail just 10 days before her death on a warrant for theft.
Something you'll never get over, losing your daughter in such a tragic way.
After the release of the video,
It's very tragic.
Waters' attorney sent a statement to Contact 5, quote, "It is apparent to us that these police officers lost control of the situation, and we do not believe that their actions of deadly force were justified." Must be a big void in your heart.
Absolutely. It's taken my soul from me right now.
Vicki is now raising her daughter's 2 children
And the hardest part is for her children now.
and looking for accountability.
You won't see that smile ever again, She was always smiling.
A Coconut Creek police spokesperson told us it would be inappropriate to comment on the video at this time since FDLE is investigating. The chief, meanwhile, fully reinstated the officers involved in the shooting from administrative leave. The matter is expected to be referred to the Broward County State Attorney. Michael Butchner, WPTV News Channel 5.